In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a legend box bigger in Excel. If your chart's legend looks cramped or hard to read, the quickest, cleanest way to enlarge the legend box is to increase the legend text size. As the font grows, Excel automatically expands the legend container, giving you more breathing room without distorting the chart. Start with your chart visible on the sheet. Click anywhere on the chart to activate it. You'll know it's active when you see selection handles around the chart area, and the Chart Design and Format tabs appear on the ribbon. This first click makes sure Excel routes your next changes to the chart rather than a random cell. Next, click directly on the legend itself. That's the little box that lists the series names, usually to the right, left, top, or bottom of the chart. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box just around the legend. If you accidentally select a data series or the plot area, simply click again on the legend until only the legend is highlighted. This puts the focus on the element we want to resize. Now click once on any legend name inside that box so the text is selected. With the text active, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and press the Increase Font Size button, the large A with an up arrow. Each click nudges the font a little larger, and you'll see the legend box expand automatically to fit the bigger labels. Keep clicking until the legend is comfortably readable. If you go too far, use the Decrease Font Size button or press Undo to step back. As you adjust, watch how the legend wraps longer labels and how it sits relative to your chart. A balanced legend should be easy to read without crowding the chart area. Aim for a size that matches the overall typography of your worksheet for a consistent, professional look. Small, steady increments usually work best. If nothing seems to change when you click the button, it usually means only the legend box is selected, not the text. Click a legend name again, and try the Increase Font Size button once more. This process is the same in recent versions of Excel on Windows and Mac, though the icon style can vary slightly. That's it. Click the chart to activate it. Click the legend to target it. Then select a legend name and use Increase Font Size on the Home tab to grow the text, and, in turn, the legend box. A few quick clicks can make your chart far clearer and more accessible.